everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that if you're returning. How are you today? Okay, well, it's done. It is done. It took me forever. It really did. But look at it. Look. These are tears of joy, I swear. It's just that top shelf. I can't. Because why? Because I can't reach. And I don't want to get up on a chair. I don't. Okay. But, all right. So, you see? And then down there, yeah. Hi, Penny. Oh. Get out. But then we're left with this. Where do I go? Where do I go? I've got chia seeds, cocoa powder, cane sugar, figs, almonds, a little bit of quinoa left, and some stuff that I put in salads. And then these. Stormy, get out. Stormy, stop touching. But, yes, I know it's Andrew's. Don't touch. But I don't, these are all hot sauce. And I don't have room, and I'll show you why. Hi, Penelope. This cabinet over here is where I generally keep all the sauces and stuff. Look, Penelope. Will you quit? But Penelope, get your face out. But this is where I normally keep everything. Do you see what I'm going through right now? Help me help you. Help me help you. Okay? Because now I need another solution. Okay? I would put it here, but this is Sean's stash. Joette, get your face out of your father's Twizzlers. So, and I can't do in here. All right. Get out. Hi, Ridley. And then in here, pots, pans, stuff like that. And then this jumbled mess, once again, I don't want to do it. You can't make me. But I did have to move some of the canned stuff over just a little bit because those plastic containers with Sean's other half of his stash had to be put up there because they're too big. But, so that's done. And that's done. So it's a lot better. But where do I go? And what do I do with Andrew's hot sauce? Help. Help. And did anyone figure out what to do with this space? Asking for not even a friend, for me. Look at Capone. Look at my pretty girl. Hi, pretty kitty Capone. No, she don't give a shit. All right. Say goodbye, Ridley. Say no, just give me chicken jerky and back away. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Stay positive. Keep prepping. And as always, fearless. You want to go out? Come on. Let's go outside. The coffee bar is looking more stocked. So that's always a good thing. Come on. Who's outside? Jeez, Zoo. My neighbors are having some kind of work done. That's why they wanted to go out so darn bad. Sliding closed. All right, guys. I'll see you. Bye.